Yes. Hi.
Who is this?
If you want to see your future, I need that box. I have the one thing you can't bargain with. You.
Oh God, just do what he says. We have our whole life to plan. Who is this? How did you... I'm fine. No! I love you. I don't think you understand. I love you. This might not come back. Stay.
Stop that. You're making me nervous.
So you think he's gonna pay?
Of course he's gonna pay. They always pay.
What? Stop. I need to fill this one with happy memories. Why? Why? I don't know why. No. No, 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 no. It's my childhood. I can't remember the last time I've seen you smile. I used to be so happy then. Never wanted to grow up. Get old. But now my future depends on it. I don't want to make plans. Has he come for me yet?
No.
Oh, this blows. I can't even see what's going on.
Ah, you cheated.
Oh, that's just not cool.